As we learned earlier, savings accounts are a form of an investment. Not only are they insured by the FDIC up to account balances of $250,000, they pay interest. So basically, banks pay you to keep your money on deposit with them at their bank. In IM Financial Knowledge Level 1, we compared interest earned from a savings account to interest paid on loans using simple interest. The simple interest formula is a quick way to calculate the interest paid, whether you are receiving the interest or paying the interest. It looks like this, where A is the final amount, P is the original or principal amount, I is the interest rate, and N is the duration of the loan using number of periods. So let's go back to the game.
Yeah, Maite, you think you could do me a favor?
What?
Give me a little loan ski?
Don't do it.
$2 grand.
Don't do it,
That's all I
Maite.
need. I just need $2 grand.
I'm hitting a spot of bad luck and need to borrow some money to stay in the game. Maite grudgingly agrees to loan me $2,000, saying I have 2 turns to pay it back and she will charge me 5% interest. Of course I agree, but now I need to know exactly how much I'll have to pay Maite at the end of those 2 turns. So P is the original amount of the loan. Our principal, in this case, the principal or loan amount is $2,000. I is the interest rate that Maite is charging, which is 5%. As a decimal, 5% is 0.05. N is the duration of the loan, using the number of periods, which is 2 turns. First, multiply P times I times N to get the interest charge on the loan. The interest charge is the principal times interest rate times number of periods. The interest charge on the loan is $2,000 times 0.05 times 2, which equals $200 after 2 turns. Adding the interest charge to the loan amount, or principal, is the amount I will need to pay Maite back. So $2,000, the principal, plus $200, the interest charge, equals $2,200 to pay off the loan when it's due. Simple interest is called simple because it ignores the effect of compounding, which we'll cover next. Most interest rates, such as interest earned on savings accounts or interest paid on credit cards and other types of loans, are compound interest rates.